Hello and welcome to another practical tutorial of tool. Today I'm going to talk about Forms.app, a tool that exists already for some time, and actually in one of my last newsletters I did an interview with one of the founders. You can see it more here. I can leave the link on the video, but I decided to go a little bit more deep with the app, and there's plenty solutions and templates here that you can use. I can show you also the pricing for you to see. They have a free version, and then they have the basic, the pro, and the premium. But today I want to focus basically on one type of forms, especially now with the boom of AI. um, Forms app also have their AI version of Forms, and it's pretty easy to create a form, and I'm going to show you how to. So we're going to create three, and we're going to create them both, all of them, the three of them with AI. So here in the forms you can have many already as a template, but I want to show how it is with the Forms AI. So you just press here, and they give you some examples, and let's do the first one, order. So create the form for uh, bakery to order cakes, for example, and generate with AI. And well, in 5 seconds, less than that maybe, I don't know, they completely create your form, with name, email, phone number, address, the cake flavor, and it has already some options inside. Cake size also, it has inches, so I think also you can change that for sure. Um, the quantity, special additional cakes, additional cake decorations, delivery date, delivery time, uh, dietary restriction or allergies, uh, and would you like a cake stand rental? Okay, payment methods and payment amount. So this was all created with Forms AI, and most of these are, if you are have a form that you want to order, that you want to create to people to order cakes. Many of these questions are actually useful, but if they are not, it's pretty easy. You can here uh, you can change. And one really good thing of this, it's how easy you can change. So let's say not here, but let's put here, for example. Yes, you can change the flavors. So here you can remove or duplicate, and you can press here. Then you can press let's say apple, and okay, and then it creates apple. After, maybe I need to save it. Oh, it's here already. Okay, great. But what I wanted to show you, you can select what is the blank option and the default answer, shuffle options. There's plenty options. Um, let's see that the quantity here, it's a number, but you just want to change for example, multiple selection. And yes, it changes. You just have to realize that, or what was before it got lost. So changes, and here you are, options. You can write the options if you want already to have some quantity already. And that is it. You can add design. Other thing with the design is that uh, they have this, of course, and you can customize it. So, for example, we can, let's see, uh, for example, you want here, you have access to, you can upload your own, but you also have access to Unsplash, for example, if you want to add uh, a picture image by yourself. So let's see. Cake. Maybe not this now. Then cake. Cake. Okay, great. So for example, choose this one. You can put it in cover and you can change the position. That is not important now. You can change the fonts. You can add logic to it also. If in case that one condition, one question goes to jump to another question, you can add that. And this is the form already done. And well, here I would just advise to change the color of the text because of the image on the background. It's a little bit difficult to read, but then you have the settings, plenty of settings that you can choose. The thank you page, the welcome page, where you're gonna connect. It has all these connections that you can integrate with your application, and then of course the sharing. You can put it as a full page. You can put it on as a link. So as you can see, it's pretty easy to do the. Let's put it here. Put preview. So this how would be, and this is the mobile version, and this was made in less than, well, with my talking and all, it was a little bit longer, but you could do it in less than 5 minutes. So this is one. Now let's create another one also with AI. Like I said, we're gonna create 3 of them. So now let's want to generate leads. Create form to generate leads for a personal trainer, for example. Okay, generate with AI, and again, fast as that, created a new form. Name, email, phone number, location. What are your fitness goals? Fitness goals. Muscle gain, improved endurance. Yes, that's everything here. Medical conditions. Also about your fitness. So yeah, exactly like before. It was really fast to create, and you had the form in less than 2 minutes. They're ready. You also can design if you want. Actually, I don't know if you could add the design with AI. That would be nice. But at least I haven't discovered. No. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, that is one. Okay, let's just put right personal trainer. This one. Yes. Good. Just needed to change the question colors maybe to. Is it blue? Good. Maybe not. Yeah. No, it's off. Maybe white. Yeah, white is better. Yeah. Okay. But yeah, you could see here how it could be created. And last one, continue editing, I didn't save. And last one that you can create, let's create another one, create form. And this time we're gonna do one for, yeah, customer feedback. Exactly. Create a form, customer feedback for a landing page app, and voila, here it is again. Fast. The questions are really well done. How satisfied are you with the landing page? Yes, it's something that you should have how easy it is to create and customize your landing page, how would you rate the design options, and the app meet your expectations. And of course, you can add more questions. You feel here you can just, for example, multiple selection, and you can add here, and it gives you as that. You can upload files. You can have a matrix. Apparently, I didn't even realize that. Yes, or an option scale timer. So what is the timer? Oh, okay. Yeah. So it's really just a timer to put. Interesting. Uh, you can add the terms and conditions signature. You can create basically or write a form to add products. So you can put here your own products. Image content. Yeah, so this is all options that you can create for a form. And the main point is that the part that takes time to do a form, and it's something that really takes time, is to create the questions and align them. Uh, Forms.app does that in less than 2 minutes. You can then focus on really what the form is about. So yeah, this was my short video about how to do forms with Forms.app with the help of AI, and I hope that you can use it and to do for your business because it's really useful. See you next time. Bye.